Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly readings, weekly ganap for January 6 to 12, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. Comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa lahat ng mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads na patuloy na sumusuporta sa ating channel. Thank you, thank you. It really helps our channel to grow at magpatuloy pa rin. Ayan. So, kuha tayo ng mga cards pa for you para dire-diretso na lang yung pagbasa natin. No? For Virgo. And then, tarot cards. For Virgo, January 6 to 12. Okay, let's begin. You have the Two of Cups, the World, the Queen of Pentacles, the Four of Swords, and the Nine of Cups. Wow. Ang ganda ng energies for you. So, Virgo, you are focused on your finances, your resources, yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. Yan talaga yung binibigyan mo ng attention ngayon. Giving them what they deserve. Oo. Talagang very caring kayo and you have this caring and nurturing energy para sa mga mahal nyo sa buhay. Some of you may mga general cleaning na gagawin ngayong week na to. Ito yung mga hindi nyo pa naasikaso from last year. But, pagkatapos naman nito, kumbaga parang work hard, play hard. Oo, ang atake. Yan. So, kayo ay magbabakasyon. Yung iba, merong major break. Parang siguro nung last year, naging busy, wala kayong time para mag-relax. So, ngayon namang week na to, ito na yung time na babawi kayo to relax, to have some fun. So, parang delayed gratification yung iba sa inyo. You're going to treat yourself this time kasi nung mga nakaraan, you are of service to others. So, ibang tao yung pinagsisilbihan mo, hindi yung sarili mo. So, ngayon, sarili mo naman ang pagsisilbihan mo and you will spend some time with your loved ones, especially if you are in a romantic relationship. So, I see a bonding. Yung iba sa inyo may travel abroad or you are, having a vacation elsewhere. Medyo mahaba-haba yung bakasyon na to para sa iba sa inyo. Yung iba naman, meron ditong wish fulfillment, something that you've been wanting to have. So, para meron ditong achievement, no? Achievement sa mga goals ninyo. I think you're very thankful for the blessings na na-receive ninyo last year. And ngayon, you are setting your new goals for the year. Okay? You have wisdom, acorn. And then, caution. And then, creativity. Yes. So, some of you, Virgo, you have learned a lot from your past experiences. Maaring iba sa inyo may pag-aaral na gagawin ngayon, doing your research, anything related to your creative talents and skill sets. So, yun yung i-explore mo. Meron ka lang kailangang pag-ingatan dito, no? So, what I'm seeing here is your health, yung iyong kalusugan. Pay attention to your health, ano man yung sinasabi ng katawan mo or pinaparamdam sa'yo ng katawan mo, bigyan mo ng attention yan kasi kailangan. Oo. Kasi, di ba yung katawan natin nagsasabi talaga if there is something wrong that you need to attend to sa katawan mo. Masakit ang ulo, yung mga sintomas, ganyan. At lalo na kung sa tingin mo nagawa mo na yung part mo para maayos yon pero hindi pa rin naayos. So, it's time for you na magkonsulta sa health professional. Okay? So, you have Mercury in the 12th house. Wow. So, yung iba sa inyo, very talented, no? Meron kayong talent in writing, in composing something, pwedeng sa music, communication skills. Maganda yung magaling kayo, no? Marami kayong talent sa inyong communication skills na pwede nyo magamit to create abundance in your life. You have the sun in the 12th house. Wow, 12th house is your anything that is hidden from you, na maaring you are exploring your potentials, your talents na hindi mo pa alam or hindi ka pa aware of. So I see you na putting effort in discovering and exploring and expanding your creativity. Okay? So, yung mga content creators dyan or someone na gusto nyong mag-create ng contents for others, and maaring yan yung isa sa pwede mong maging source of income. And also, inspired actions to. No? Lahat ng mga gagawin mo ngayong week na to is galing sa inspirasyon na meron ka. So, your money, oh, diba? Magical. Your dream life is manifesting magically. You have enough resources to bring your desires into reality. Yes. That's why nandito ang creativity for you. You have the vision. Meron kang imagination for your creations. So, maaring you are into design, graphic design, or anything that is magical. So, sa relationship naman, effort, yan. So, mag-effort ka for your person, for your romantic partners. So, ito yung pag-aalaga mo rin sa kanila. And, maaari ring reversal yung role, yung if you are connecting with someone, sila naman yung mag-effort para sa inyo. Kasi, it takes a lot of effort to keep this relationship going. So, if you are in a relationship. But kung single ka, pwedeng merong person na magta-try na mag-effort for you, para mapansin mo. So, syempre, nasa sayo na yan, kung papansinin mo yan. Okay, nostalgia, focus on the here and now. Ayan. So, mas magbibigay ka ng attention sa kung anong bagay na pwede mong magawa, maayos ngayong araw na to. At alam mo na ito ay may impact para sa future mo. But, minsan kasi, diba, sabi niyang iba, if you want to dwell on the past, parang, may hirap para sa'yo na mag-move forward or mag-move on. So, yung past na yon, what you have right now is the present moment. And, of course, yung future is uncertain, no? So, just focus on what you have right now. Tignan pa natin sa iyong money, career, finances. You have the 8 of Pentacles. Ang daming nakakakuha ng card na to. So, this is like going back to work, putting effort sa trabaho, sa career, kung ano man yung ine-explore mo pa, mastering your craft and your skills. And then, sa relationship, the Fool. Oh, some of you may start a new relationship or a new connection. Parang may bagong simula. Yung iba naman, maaring magte-take kayo ng risk sa pagpasok sa isang relationship. If you're single, this is a new beginning eh. May bagong simula for your relationship for some of you, Virgo. Okay? So, that is your reading. Thank you so much and see you again.